Hi, my name is Payal Saxena. I completed my postgraduate diploma in business administration from Jaipur Institute of Management in the year 2004. I'm currently working with IFCO Tokyo as a general manager. I take care of claims. Immensely grateful to Jaipuria for shaping my career, for setting the foundation. I got my first job here. The grooming that I got here is so valuable for me, and I'm really thankful to the faculty, the institute for grooming me and for taking me where I am today. I did my PGDBA in marketing and finance, and I think marketing is one skill that Jaipuria taught me that really helped me all throughout my career. Because the job that I took up, my first role was in marketing, and I feel that marketing is an extremely essential skill because your whole life you have to sell yourself. I feel that was an extremely essential skill that Jaipuria taught me. And I'm of course now in operations, but what I've learned in marketing continues to help me throughout my career. I have my roots in Lucknow, and I had heard great things about Jaipuria Institute of Management. So I took the plunge to do my post-graduation from Jaipuria Institute of Management, and wow, what a decision it was, because it laid the foundation of my career, and I'm extremely proud to be a Jaipuria. My advice to my juniors would be that there are limitless possibilities and limitless options, opportunities for growth. You just have to work hard, just be honest to your work, conquer the world. There are limitless opportunities, so you just be confident of yourself, and sky's the limit. As we know, artificial intelligence has almost taken over our lives. It's so prominent in each and every industry, in each and everything that we do. I can especially speak for the insurance industry, where artificial intelligence is really helping us improve our processes, operations, deliver better service to the client. I feel that this is one field that we all need to get more updated with, and use it in our advantage to improve the work and simplify the work that we do every day. I feel that you really would not find any better institute than Jaipuria to have your MBA done, from where you can do your MBA. That's because the faculty here, having years of experience in training and grooming the candidates, the kind of grooming and training that the institute does surpasses all the other institutes. The value system and then the grooming that the other institutes are giving, the other institutes may have bigger names. What Jaipuria gives, you'd find that many of the alumni who are doing far better than the pass outs from the top league. So highly recommend doing your MBA from Jaipuria Institute of Management. What I can share from my personal experience is that Jaipuria teaches you team spirit, the value of teamwork. It gives us a lot of independence, at the same time grooms you so well that it instills so much of self-confidence in you. The faculty is so warm while taking care of the students who are there during the program. I was in the hostel, and this was the first time I was away from home. And the grooming that I got being with my hostel mates, and the support and encouragement that I got from the faculty and the staff is something is very close to my heart, and has contributed in a large way to what I am today and where I am today. The three words that can define Jaipuria is very strong value system, commitment to the cause, total focus, ensuring that they set a vision for all the candidates passing out from the institute. So all of you hearing this, be limitless at Jaipuria.